How to make money on Freelancer as a cybersecurity expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to hire or to find a cybersecurity expert, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skill categories. It's where I can see all of the available skills in the platform. So let's wait for it to load. Then we'll be able to check all of the skills. As you can see, we have the websites, IT and software category. And I think the cybersecurity expert will be in this category. So let's go to the C. It's A, B. And here we have the C programming, call control, Casper, Caspius, Celery, certified ethical hacking, certified information system, security professional, ChatGPT. I need to find cybersecurity, computer, copyright. Let's go up. Corteza, cross, cryptocurrency, CSS. So that's all what we have in here. So I think I can go with security. Let's check again. We have copyright, content management system, computer security. So that's what I'm going for, computer security. And here you'll be able to hire expert computer security consultants for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. So here click on see more cybersecurity consultants. And let's remove online users to see all of the best users. Let's remove the online users. And here we have the top 3% in Docker, top 7% in electronics. So this is a good freelancer. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, where you're going to showcase your skills to the visitors or the business owners of this platform. So for example, when it comes to this one, I'm going to show you how you can add a profile, a cover photo, a profile picture, how you can add your description, where you're going to talk about yourself and try to convince the client to hire you, like this one. No one is useless in this world who lightens the burdens of another. I have done BS honor in computer science. I am DevOps engineer with more than 10 years of experience and can work on Python, game development, electric engineering, task 3D work, Android and iOS applications. I have complete know-how about all the latest technologies, PHP, C#, other programming languages and software programmers. I'm available for Docker Compose, Kubernetes, AWS, Lambda, Aurora, code pipelines. So this man is doing a lot of skills. So I'm going to show you how you can add a description like this, how you're going to add your verifications to have everything verified in your profile. That adds a lot of trust and credibility in your profile. And also I'm going to show you how you can add your skills and how you can add your portfolio as well, because clients would like to see your service or your portfolio first before hiring you. So let's go back to the main page. Let's go to the main page to show you how you can start creating your profile. And here click on earn money freelancing. Then you'll proceed to fill in the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password, then click on login. And here, let's wait for it to redirect us to our dashboard. And this is our dashboard in here. This is where we can control everything about our profile. So go to your top right, and here you can go to view your profile. We need to make a lot of adjustments to our profile. And here, as you can see, the profile is very empty. We need to add a lot of things. So let's start by editing our profile. And here, make sure to verify your email first. Then you will be able to make changes and then add a profile picture as well. It's very important too. You cannot work in the platform without a profile picture. And then upload a cover photo as well. And then you proceed to enter in your verifications. So as I said in the beginning, these are very important. So make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method. Verify your phone number as well. Verify your email and connect your Facebook account. After that, you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. Then you proceed to enter in your professional headline as well. And you enter your summary too. And guys, when it comes to the summary, it's where you're going to talk about yourself. It's your description. Talk about yourself, your skills, your previous experiences, where did you learn the skill, the years of experience you have, and all of those stuff. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's remove these ones. And let's enter our actual skill, Cybersecurity Expert. Let's separate them. Let's remove security. Let's remove cyber and let's go with security only. So you have web security, computer security, internet security, network security, cloud security. So you can select all of the skills you can perform, then click on save to save those adjustments. And then you enter your portfolio as well. It's very important. And when you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects. And then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that you can apply for in order to make money. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.